I'm Brian Ladd from Cascade Sotheby's, and I'd like to welcome you to 19462 Bainbridge Court. This is a beautiful northwest designed home located on a third of an acre lot here in the heart of the Glen neighborhood here in Tetherow. Let's go inside and check it out. So when I first enter this home, I'm greeted by the dramatic setting. Here we have a wall of windows looking out to the common space behind, but I'm also greeted by the warm tonality and rich colors that we'll see throughout the rest of this home. Some of the most striking features are these beautiful stained cabinets from floor to ceiling in the kitchen, a great use of wood and timbers and steel and stone, and it just gives a really rich and northwest feel that's often lacking with the modern trends that we're seeing in the market. This is a very beautiful and striking kitchen. Here we're greeted by this granite countertop that really shows the texture of the granite with a big thickened edge. Some of the other notable features are the Dacor appliance package, these copper hand-hammered sink and hood, and it connects well to the formal dining area and the covered deck out to the rear of the home. So I really enjoy the layout and thoughtful design in this house. Off to the south of the home, you feature a full junior suite and secondary room that's currently being used as a study. And off to the other end of the home, you have a true master retreat. The bedroom itself features vaulted ceilings and a door leading to the deck to the rear, an incredible master bathroom, and then we also have an upstairs bonus room with another full bath that adds a lot of flexibility. So to bring it together, we have this incredibly crafted Northwest style 2,500 square foot home here on a third of an acre lot back into this serene and forested setting. It's just a great way to enjoy Tetherow in a serene and special setting. I invite you to come discover this one for yourself.